Okay, class, so let's continue with our lesson. When we talked about this class is so long. I know, right? I just wanted to end. After we learned about this,
ring.
Oh,
Class
thank God,
is over.
finally
Get
we
out.
can leave. Anyway, when we... Simon! What is it, teacher? Where do you think you're going? I'm going home. Class is over. I don't think so. Get back into your seat. But the bell rang. It's time to leave. The bell doesn't dismiss you. I do. Okay, so... That's stupid. Excuse me? No, let me explain. If the bell doesn't dismiss us, then why is it there? Simon, the bell doesn't apply to me, and you know it. Oh, so you think you're important now? Yes! I can keep you as long as I want. I have tenure. What kind of logic is that? I don't care how long it takes. This lesson is over when I finish covering the material. Why are you doing this anyway? None of us even want to be here. I do. Greg, shut up. Simon, I'm gonna get the principal if you don't stop causing a ruckus. Yeah, right. Like he'd actually show up. Excuse me, I'm hearing a lot of yelling. What's going on? Oh, you showed up. This student won't let me teach my class. That makes no sense. Exactly. So maybe you should... No, it makes no sense because the bell already rang. Huh? Class is over. Let them go home. What is home?